Hello students, welcome to Manoeuvre, the career signature. So today we are here to mainly brief you all on Tissnet 2021 as the dates have been out, which is 20th of February 2021. So mainly today our guidance will be on Tissnet preparation, PIT PI. Mainly this will be our topic for the day. Along with Tissnet studies, how do you manage that? Talking about just Tissnet studies, when I talk about this now, this has just become an qualifier exam for to clear the particular entrance. But talking about PIT PI preparation, this carries lot more weightage as compared to the marks division or segmentation. Talking about PIT PI, till now it has been around 125 marks that I can share with you all. I'll be sharing the breakup of this particular marks, okay, with you all, and Tissnet, the online exam, which happens to be of 100 marks till now. So let's see how does it goes. And moving ahead with this, you need to get serious on PIT PI preparation part as well along with your Tissnet studies, because this will require a thorough preparation. As you all know that TIS is known as one of the premier institute for various MA programs, and therefore you are aiming and aspiring to get into one of the TIS in India. Candidates' preparation strategy for gaining admission to such institute has to be tailored, because whatever are your expectations, you need to work for it, and therefore PIT PI, that is pre-interview test or group discussion, which is a part of Tissnet interview, matters a lot, because after your test, that is your online test of 100 marks, what matters, the next hurdle that comes is your PIT PI, and for which you need to prepare and not just leave it casually that we will just take an attempt randomly. Don't do that, because it carries a huge marks. 50 marks is for your PIT, that is pre-interview test, which will have an essay and a short caselet. It is divided into two parts. As you can see here, I will show you. This is the mark breakup that you have. Tissnet 100 marks, pre-interview test or group discussion 50 marks, and personal interview 75 marks. Totally summing up this particular marks into 225 marks that you can see here in total. Now this was till now. Now we are just waiting for the new updates on Tissnet website. As and when it comes, we will be very soon coming out with our new video on Manoeuvre, the career signature. For the same, just like this video, give your feedbacks and comments, and subscribe. Click on the subscribe button so that you get the time to time updates. So talking about the pre-interview test, which can be in form of either essay writing, short caselet, or it can be in form of group discussion. The basic points that you need to remember is, first of all, as you know, it is an essay writing part. The 50 marks is divided into 30 and 20 till now. Now, the categories on which the essay which can come or short caselet can be on socio-economic or geopolitical or maybe some cultural issues of our country or political significance. Now whatever we write, it can be either right, wrong from any perspective of other. So do not worry about that, but see to it that whatever knowledge you are sharing, that has to be in crisp manner, precise manner, and that you justify it very well. The thought process that you are carrying and you need to put, for which reading is essential. A lot of reading is essential to put right ideas with proper justification and explanation. The remaining 20 mark section that you can see is on caselet, which has to be prepared. 4 questions are normally asked till now, and which needs to be answered in a stipulated time. Moving ahead, what makes you write a good writing skill? So certain tips on writing skills that will help you to score the 50 marks. Firstly, to improve on your writing skills, you need to have the basic idea on spellings. So see to it the spellings that you use, it should be proper without any mistakes. Avoid using jargons in your writing skills. Also, you should know what you're using. The spellings that you're writing has to be 100% correct. Otherwise, it will create a very wrong impression. Create clear punctuation mark is important from time to time, where you put, where you use. Grammatical errors will create a very bad impact, so correct use of grammar is necessary. Connectors in terms of conjunctions, prepositions, whenever and wherever required has to be put. Write sentences in terms of vocabulary that you use. Write English terms has to be used well enough, and a good level, good grade of English has to be used at a proper level. because language matters a lot. They are going to test on your language and your thought process particular exam. Variety of sentence types has to be used, like complex, compound sentences, if you can merge them, and you can raise questions on a particular topic, give solution on them. Divide it into various paragraphs talking about various topics depending on what topic you have been given, socio political, cultural, etc. Create awareness in your writing skills in the topic you have been given, so that you can hold attention of the audience when they read, and organize the data or information that you are putting. Apart from writing skills, some highlights on group discussion I would like to share with you all students who are going to appear for Tissnet. So here we are. The pre-interview test will be a group discussion for candidates who have applied into any social work programs at TIS. Now the candidates knowledge on contemporary issues, जो रियल लाइफ सिनारियोज में आपको देखने को मिलता है, उस पे सोशल वर्क रिलेटेड इश्यूज, सेंसिटिव इश्यूज ऑफ आवर सोसाइटी, उस पे टॉपिक्स बेस्ड होते हैं और उसका नॉलेज आपको बिल्कुल चाहिए होगा. ठीक है, यू कैन एक्सप्रेस योर व्यूज आइदर ऑन इन हिंदी, इंग्लिश, लैंग्वेज इज नॉट अ बैरियर देयर, बट विद दैट यू हैव अ टाइम लिमिट. 20 मिनट्स का जीडी टाइम होता है. सो रिमेंबर, सोशल इश्यूज, कॉन्टेम्प्रेरी इश्यूज, लैंग्वेज इंग्लिश हिंदी इज ओके. टाइम लिमिट दिया जाता है. 8 to 12 रेंजिंग कैंडिडेट्स होंगे आपके साथ जो ग्रुप डिस्कशन करेंगे. ठीक है, सो आई विल बी शेयरिंग डूज एंड डोंट्स ऑफ द सेम वेरी सून विथ यू ऑल. आपको एक फोटोग्राफ विद अ कैप्शन दिया जाएगा और वो टॉपिक पे आपको बोलना पड़ सकता है. योर कम्युनिकेशन शुड बी वेल इनफ to target on a point to express your views. So certain basic tips that I have shared here with you all to crack your GD very well. Understand the topic well. Speak on a particular topic that you are confident enough. Initiate the topic which is required. Structure the content very well. Get involved. The remaining part is be positive when you speak. Articulate things, that is design things very well when you are speaking on a particular topic. एम्फसाइज करो एक पॉइंट पे जब आपका थॉट प्रोसेस क्लियर है, और दूसरों का भी सुनो और फिर उनके साथ डिस्कशन में इन्वॉल्व हो जाओ, या उनके डिस्कशन को टारगेट करते हुए आप जवाब दे सकते हो, राइट एंड रॉन्ग. मूविंग अहेड विद दिस, पर्सनल इंटरव्यू जो अराउंड 75 मार्क्स अब तक कैरी करता था, उसके भी मैंने कुछ टिप्स आपके साथ शेयर किए हैं. पहली बात तो फ्रिक्वेंटली आस्क क्वेश्चंस, FAQs क्या होते हैं. दे कैन इनिशिएट विद टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ, तो इस पर आप अच्छे से प्रिपेयर कर लीजिए. Then what are your motives, your career aspirations, or why are you doing this particular course with TIS, etc. आपके लिए एक टिपिकल वर्क वीक क्या होता है, डिफिकल्ट हेक्टिक शेड्यूल क्या होता है, आपका स्ट्रेंथ क्या है, आपके कुछ वीकनेसेस क्या है. सो दिस इज़ द पॉइंट दैट आपको प्रिपेयर करना है. मैच योर रिस्पॉन्स दैट यू आर आस्किंग. यहाँ पे जॉब लिखा है, जनरली इसका मतलब ये है कि उनके एक्सपेक्टेशंस पे अगर आप उतर पाते हो, देन यू आर डन. बी ऑनेस्ट, यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी मेंशन किया है. बी प्रोफेशनल इनफ, बी जेन्युइन इनफ विथ योर आंसर्स. इंटरव्यू इज जस्ट एक्सचेंज ऑफ आइडियाज, सो डोंट पैनिक देयर कि आप जो बोल रहे हो उसका इंप्रेशन अच्छा क्रिएट होना ही चाहिए. नो, यू कैन पुट योर पॉइंट्स, बट say to it that you are honest enough with whatever you are sharing there. Okay, apart from that, already said, be genuine enough, get familiar with the program. जो आप करने जा रहे हो उस पर आपको क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाएंगे कि आप क्यों करना चाहते हो. And very important thing, the part is your posture, your gesture that you maintain in an interview has to be good enough while you go and apply. Your expression will matter a lot, your body language will matter a lot, how you make yourself presentable perfectly there. Finally, to summarize the entire idea of the discussion and preparation approach that you can keep in Tissnet and PIT PI preparation. First is start preparing on your online exam very well. उसके लिए आपको अपने इंग्लिश प्रोफिशिएंसी, मैथ्स, लॉजिक्स बहुत क्लियर रखने हैं, परफेक्शन लाना है. जनरल अवेयरनेस पे वर्क कीजिए, जो आप करंट अफेयर्स कहते हो या समझते हो. इसका अपना कट ऑफ है 35% मार्क्स, 40 में से 35% इनका ही है, दैट इज़ 14 मार्क्स आपको लाना है. सो एक गोल सेट कर लीजिए ये सब पे. एंड फाइनली यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन PIT PI, जो मैंने टिप्स आज के वीडियो में आपसे शेयर किए हैं अंडर मैन्यूवर एजुकेशन. सी टू इट दैट योर प्रिपरेशन इज़ 100% परफेक्ट एंड यू डू इट वेल. आप इसमें कोई कमी ना सोचो. मैं फिर से रिपीट करता हूँ, आपका प्रिपरेशन 100% परफेक्ट होना चाहिए. बहुत ही ज़रूरी है ये प्रिपरेशन करना. एंड मेनली उसके लिए आपको PIT PI पे काफ़ी ज़्यादा फोकस करना ज़रूरी है, अलॉन्ग विथ योर ऑनलाइन टेस्ट ऑफ 100 मार्क्स विच इज़ डिवाइडेड इनटू इंग्लिश, मैथ्स एंड general awareness aspects. Okay, see, you also the last but not the least which I would like to share with you all, that to get more tips on this you can subscribe to our live lectures which is going on. You can subscribe to full course, सेक्शनल वाइज भी आप सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हो, या अगर आपको लगता है सिर्फ आपको टेस्ट प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट चाहिए तो मॉक टेस्ट या बुक्स नोट्स के लिए आप सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हो. टू get into or subscribe our online program, just call on the mentioned number or visit our website for further details. Classroom preparations के लिए you can call on the respective branch number for Borivali, Dadar, VASAI, and for any other enquiries you can call to our board line number. Our Pune branch is coming soon, so stay tuned and subscribe to our channel.